VEVOR Automatic Home Beer Brewer. If you're after an all-in-one electric system that tries to replace a full-sized homebrew setup, the VEVOR Automatic Home Beer Brewer 3.43 gallons/1500W is built around convenience and automation. Key specifications you'll want to know up front: it's offered in a 3.43-gallon model, with larger capacity variants shown on the product page. Has a 1500W heater, a 304 stainless steel inner tank, built-in mash/boil device, LCD one-touch controls, automatic temperature and pressure regulation, 14 preset recipes plus a DIY mode, an automated hop add function, an internal yeast collector, automatic cooling down to about 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and an electric tap for dispensing. The machine advertises an end-to-end workflow: mashing, boiling, fermentation, cooling and dispensing, and supports isobaric filling into standard 28mm neck bottles so you can quickly store or share a batch. Customers who have purchased it on Amazon consistently highlight the massive time savings and the ability for beginners to produce decent craft beers without complex equipment. Many reviews praise the one-touch programs and the consistency of temperature control during fermentation. Critiques that appear in the review stream tend to focus on the learning curve for troubleshooting. Some users report needing to tweak recipes or calibration, occasional quality control issues in shipping, and the reality that you'll still want to learn a few brewing fundamentals if you want repeatable pro-level results. Overall, it's a strong pick for hobbyists who value convenience and a compact footprint over buying separate kettles and vessels. We share by links in description.